Hot, not hot. Hot.
Excuse me?
I said that I think you're hot. And now I'm embarrassed.
Oh, I thought you said hi.
That would have been better. I'll try that. Hi. I'm Joey.
I'm Haylay.
Look, I don't normally ask out women that I meet in coffee houses. Gesundheit. But,
I would love to go out with you.
Really? Great. Did I actually ask you?
That's just where you were going. I figured I'd help you out. You don't seem like the kind of guy who does this a lot.
Seriously, Gunther, you should see someone about that cold. Gets much worse, you could die.